Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me, Indiana Jones. And no, you're not seeing things. Yes, that is a Christmas tree right behind me because today's show is very special because I have a sponsor for the Christmas tree that I need to decorate for the Deering estate this year. And I need to have it decorated by November 7th or around there, early in November. So I'll be testing out some Christmas decor and actually putting together some decorations that will be on this tree eventually. But not to worry, I'm still Halloweeny. On the other side, I have Jack and Sally, so you'll see that through the window when you come trick-or-treating at my house. But let's see what my sponsor sent me with this beautiful tree. I really enjoyed putting it together, so let's have fun. I was thrilled when VIVAtrees reached out to me and asked me to review one of their products, and I was more than happy, especially since I'm decorating the Deering estate this year and it's going to be a retro theme. So I love the fact that I could pick a tree that already had these beautiful bright Christmas colored lights, perfect for a retro vintage inspired Christmas tree. I was also surprised at how quickly I received the tree because I was still in the midst of my Halloween decorations, believe it or not. But you know what? I was more than happy to unbox and check out this amazing tree. Now, this is a 7.5-foot tree, and this is very, very easy to set up. It has a wonderful number of branches, one of the things that I noticed, and the number of lights per branch as well, because it really fills out, and I didn't have the need to fill it out with any more lights whatsoever. I usually, even if I have pre-lit trees, I usually add additional lights. Now it comes in 3 parts, and the fourth, of course, is the stand itself. So it's so easy. I could do it by myself. It wasn't extremely heavy. I'm actually sitting down just so you could see me in the picture here in the film. But here I am. There are my I live in Miami, but I don't get a tan. Explain that to me, people. I'm always inside, so that's my very white legs. But look how easy. I didn't have to do anything. It just opens up on its own. All the lights are already included, and I mean, it literally took me 10 minutes to set up this tree. Isn't that wonderful? Now, I did take the time and fluff out the tree and spread out all of the branches. It is very full, but you do have to spread. Hey, for me, hey, I hope I get an A+ with this tree. Anyway, here I am just adding the top of the tree, and then all I have to do is plug it all together. Yes, I'm dressing up in a sundress, no sleeves, with Halloween decor and a Christmas tree. That's just my life, my people. I love you dearly. This is what I love to do is share my adventures, and here starts my Christmas adventure. So all I have to do now, and this is what takes some time, but I was just singing Christmas carols and Halloween carols. I was watching A Nightmare Before Christmas because I think that was so appropriate, and I had fun doing it. There, as you see, as you start fluffing out each of the branches, look at how full it is. There are so many branches that it really fills out the tree immediately. I didn't have to add any ornaments or anything right away. It was just so fast. Now, yes, you have to take the time, but you have to do that with any artificial tree. But the fact that, first of all, the branches are really nice and long, so it really fills out the gaps and the spaces between each wired branch. So I don't know what I'm saying there, but I was having fun. Of course, my neighbors probably think I'm absolutely insane, but I love the size of this tree, how high it is, how tall it is. And now let's check out the lights. Look at how nice it looks with the white lights. It's so fun. Now here I am just decorating it real quick. Now I decorated it twice actually. I decorated it once with this very soft gold, but then I found some more of my Christmas ornaments and decided to add a little peacock blue decor that you'll see at the end. And here I am just adding all of my little accessories. I could only accessorize the tree with the items that I could reach readily available in my shed. Now here we go. Let's check out all these lights. Now you have the white standard, just static lights. Now the colored static lights. Now you have this soft glow between the white and the colored lights. Same here. Look at how nice it's a soft, gentle glow. Now we're going to have a little more movement in the lights. It's a little twinkle, and I like this with the colored and the whites. And the same for the white lights, a soft glow. Same with the colored. So you have all of the same for both colored and white. And this one was a bit like Las Vegas for me. So you have so many opportunities to make a beautiful Christmas tree with VIVAtrees. Now, all of my information for VIVAtrees is going to be in the description below, and there will be a discount code for you as well. It's never too soon to get started on Christmas. Now let's create some new decorations. I love these clear plastic balls for the Christmas tree, and this is what I'm going to use to decorate. Yes, Mop&Glo. It's not just for your floor anymore, it's for your Christmas tree too. Actually, Mop&Glo is a wonderful product to use, especially on these clear crystal balls. You can use them on glass or the plastic ones, but the most important thing is you put a little bit in, just enough to coat the interior of the glass bauble or ball, however you want to call it, the ornament, and it could be any shape you want. And then you just add glitter. That's it. No messy glitter all over the floor. So if you love the sparkle and shine of glitter, here is another wonderful way that you can add that to your decor without making an incredible mess in your craft room, in your home, and you don't have to worry about it getting into your eyes or your children or your pets. This is a wonderful way to add some glitz and glamour to your Christmas tree this year, and that's what I'm going to be using for the Deering Estate. Because it's a museum, I am not allowed to use glitter on under any circumstances, but I'll be sneaky and I'll have my glittered ornaments in just this way. Now I use the chunky glitter first. Now this is a more fine glitter, and as you can see, the finer the glitter, the better the shine. I don't know, the sparkle. Look at that. It completely covers the inside, and you would never guess that you had made this ornament yourself. And here I am using silver glitter as well. Again, the very fine silver glitter. It gives it such a frosty look. So I would take advantage and just get some of your old ornaments. By the way, I buy these ornaments 90% off every year, and they seem to always be around. They're the last ones that are bought out. Now, I love these square ornaments as well. Now, next week or the next video, I'll be bringing you ideas of how to use IOD transfers on these ornaments. But look at this. Isn't this just spectacular? I can't believe how pretty they are, and you save so much money because if you buy them at 90% off, or even if you buy them at the Dollar Tree and you decorate them yourself, it's so easy. Now I wanted to show you how you can also use this with mica powder. So if you use mica powder, if you have it in your stash, or if you get some from the Dollar Tree, I believe this is the mica powder from the Dollar Tree, they actually come out pearlized. It's so pretty. Now you'll see, look at this. It's just amazing. So again, don't be afraid of getting these clear glass or plastic baubles, because you can decorate them in the colors that you want, in the style that you want, and make your tree fabulous. Now let's take a look at our tree. Thank you again to VIVAtrees for this wonderful opportunity, and I can't wait to display this beautiful sparkly tree at the Deering Estate for Christmas this year. If you like what you see, well, please take a moment and subscribe so that you are part of the Christmas magic this year. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. I'll see you again soon.